Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer, thanks so much for coming. And if you're a returning subscriber, please just kindly know that I appreciate you from the depth of my heart. Now, this is your first time of coming to this channel. On this channel, we'll talk about business opportunities, personal development, sales, and marketing. Now, if any of this topic interests you, please kindly ensure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified every time we share amazing content such as this. So, guys, the platform I would like to introduce you to today is the Druve.com.ng. This is an online platform that helps business or individuals advertise their products and services across various WhatsApp status. The most interesting thing is this platform has an app that is available on Google Play Store. Now, the best thing about this is that you can reach customers with as low as 400 naira on the platform. So on the platform, there is the Get the Startup Plus bundle, which is 100,000 per month, and with that, you're able to reach 8,200 viewers via WhatsApp status. And then you get 5 free e-flyer designs. You get 2 to 15% engagement and click, and a dedicated campaign manager, then free captions slash content development for your ads. That is the first starter plus bundle. Then you have for the freelancer or small business, the starter bundle is 30,000 naira for 7 days, and with this you're able to reach 2,000 viewers via WhatsApp status, one flyer, one free e-flyer designs, then you see 2 to 15% engagement and clicks, then a dedicated campaign manager, a free caption slash content development. Now, this is for those who actually have businesses they want to promote, but our focus is geared on earning. So, if you are looking for proven ways that you can actually earn 1,000 naira daily with your smartphone via WhatsApp, then this is where you have to come to. Then you see from here, you have the Druve logo. You said earn income by sharing content on your WhatsApp status. So what you simply need to do is, it entails that Druve is a brand that helps people to promote and grow their business and income simultaneously. It was started by a team of 4 persons in Abuja, Nigeria, and today they are creating value without boundaries, because the Druve over time has been able to grow beyond the spheres of Nigeria. It's now also available in other nations. Now, for you to earn on the platform, what do you need to know? Now, you can begin to earn passive income with your WhatsApp enabled phone. Now, here is it. If you're able to get 42 to 500 views per status that you're going to post, which is basically an image, you'll be paid 100 naira per status. And if you're able to get from 501 view to 1,000 views, that is 1,000 views, you're paid 300 naira per status. And the other plan is the Groove Premium. This is where you tend to actually earn more. If you're able to generate 1,001 views to 5k views, you're able to earn 1,000 naira per status. If you're able to generate from 5,000 to 10,000 views, you're able to get 2,000 naira per status. If you're able to generate 10,000 one view to 15k views, you get paid 3,000 naira per status. Now, this is what I think we should do. There is an easy way for you to actually grow your WhatsApp contact list to at least 3,000 contacts or 5,000 contacts. Then how you can actually create engaging posts or engaging content that will get people to come and view your status. And one of such ways is owning a WhatsApp TV. Now, going a WhatsApp TV is as simple as ABC. But before we come to that, let's see what you need to do now. So kindly ensure that you sign up if you are actually interested. Then how does the Druve network work? Those people that want to promote their products or services, they create content and they send the content, the link, and then the target preference and their budget to the Druve organization or Druve business, and then once they've done that, they can do that via the normal web application or via the mobile application. Then once they've done that, there is a verification and customization of every ads, so that anytime promoters send ads to the platform, the company itself gets to customize it so that it can fit the needs of this particular platform. Now, after they've sent their stuff, the company has been able to verify and customize it. Then they tend to share it to drovers, that is people like you and I, who are actually looking for easy ways to make money online without any form of stress. So once they done that, you that would register on the platform, you would not have to register. And if the particular ads per se meet your own specifications, you register, and then it is now your turn for you to promote it. Now, once you are promoting it, once you help the business promote it, it gives them the ability to actually reach a specific audience. So that is why whenever you are registering for in terms of using the True app or something, they tend to make you understand that you are registering in a particular location, and most times people that are engaging in your status view should be from a particular location. So what you simply need to do is kindly ensure that when you're registering, register with your preferred location, that is where you stay or where you live. Because most times when most businesses want to promote their product services, they choose it to specific locations. So it is not all the ads on the platform that you can promote on your status. For some of the ads, if they are not registered in your location, you cannot promote them. Like, there is a business owners can actually get a proper conversion rate compared to others, because one of the most interesting things about business is the ability for them to convert prospects or strangers to paying customers. Now, if you scroll down, you see that what there are a lot of organizations or business that have used this platform, such as OP, Ventures platform, then OPA. So you can, for those who want to think of the integrity of this business, these are some profitable or well-known businesses that have used this platform. Now, having said that, for you to get started right away, you need to come and click on the sign up button. If you click on the sign up button, for instance, you will be redirected, and then you will be taken to the Google Play Store so you can install the app, and then you can get started right away. But I will not be doing that. I don't want to install the app right now. But if you come back, there's something that I want you to know. If you have other questions that you would like to ask, you can come to where you have community. In the place where you have community, but this is where you join other drovers so that you can get support for a vibrant community. Then you can choose your location. Like I told you before now, Druve as a platform is available not just in Nigeria but in Ghana and also in South Africa. So once you choose your location, if you're in Nigeria, you choose probably the state you're in. It can be Lagos, it can be Kebbi, it can be Katsina, it can be Ogun, it can be Osun, it can be Zamfara, it can be Abia. So anywhere you are in Nigeria, you choose your location. Let's say you're in Abuja. So once you do that, you will be redirected to a particular group where other drovers are, and you can get to actually relate with others that are doing the business, and so that you can have an idea of what it entails, what you can do to improve what has already been done. Now, apart from that, you can also come back and see the frequently asked questions. This is how you get to know what is going on the platform, what are the challenges people face, and what is it all about. And so if you come then you see frequently asked questions like, what is Druve all about? If you click on it, it says Druve is an ad tech platform that helps business crowd advertise their products and services through WhatsApp status of Druvers. Now, who are Druvers? A Druver is a person who signs up and is ready to earn by promoting ads through Druver's app. Then who can use Druver? You can see the terms there. Any business looking to promote their product services. What will it cost to promote? So you see now, so there are a lot of questions that you should ask. And how can I earn on Druver? That is the most important thing I want you to actually look at now. How can you earn? You can earn on Druver by installing the Druver app here and signing up, you will be notified as soon as a new ad is available in your registered location. Now, how can I earn per ads? What do you think you can earn? Now, it all depends on how many views you can get from your status. You can earn between 100 naira to 3,000 naira. That is $0.6 to about $7.8. One thing I like about this platform is if ads are available, let's say for instance now you have let's say you are generating like 1,100, 1,200 views on your WhatsApp status view per day, and you have access to like 3 ads per day, because the maximum number of ads you can promote per day is 8. Now, if you have just like 1,200 views per each status that you're going to be posting, and you're able to generate 8 ads per day, that's roughly 8K. It's as simple as ABC. So that's one thing you should do. The one thing you know is sometimes ads are available for more than one day. So it depends on the platform that is promoting it and how long they want to promote it. Then they say how often can you actually earn using the trivial platform? You can earn whenever there is an available ad for your registered location. So that's why if you are registering, please use a specific location that you know businesses are available in. Then how many ads can you promote in 24 hours? I told you before, it's 8. So if you are generating just 50 views per day in your status, you can end as these 800. Then if you can generate like maybe 1,000 views per status, and then you can have access to 8 ads, that's like 8,000 naira. Simple as ABC. All you need to do is create the enabling platform for yourself, and get people engaged on your status and get them to see what you are sharing. Now, can I transfer my earnings from my True Wallet to my bank account? Yes, you can. Once you are able to earn up to 400 naira, you can make your withdrawal. Then how many views do you need to get on your status before you can earn on Druve? It was specified before. Once you're able to start getting 42 views, you are good to go. You can apply. Then apart from that, there are other questions that you can use. You can actually go through like, can you promote your business on this platform? Yes. Then who is a premium driver? Then how can I become a premium driver? So that's one of the things you would have to know. So what you would have to do is, for you to become a premium driver, you have to upgrade, but that's not our concern now. So how do you earn like 1,000 naira per day doing this simple method? How do you get 1,000 views? How do you get 1,000 plus views per each status? Now, if you want to know how to grow your contact very, very fast, and set up a growing business that you can actually do much more than this. I know people who actually collect about 5,000 naira per status with only generating 2,000 views. Now, how do you generate this number of views? This leads me to the idea of sharing with you a profitable work step by step blueprint on how to monetize your WhatsApp and make cool money. Now, this is a simple course that I have actually taken time to explain step by step methods on how you can actually earn money with WhatsApp, from WhatsApp e-commerce, that is how to build an e-commerce store with your smartphone on WhatsApp, and you can actually do this for business, and you can charge them as high as 10 to 25K for each of the stores you will be creating. Then I also took out extra time to explain in details what WhatsApp TV is all about, what you need to know about WhatsApp TV, how to get started, how to reach out to people, how to get your first 1,000 contacts, how to get your first 1,000 views within the soonest time possible. How do you generate this huge amount of views so that you can actually earn more? For instance, like if you're able to, let's say, get 1,000 views per status, and you get the ability to run like 4 5 ads, that is roughly how much, how many K per day. So this is a very lucrative business. You don't need any high income skill. Now, the next thing I will also talk about in the WhatsApp profit blueprint is um the WhatsApp automation. This is what you can help other businesses do, and you get paid as high as 15K for doing this. Through this process, you can help business prospect their customers. You can help them convert customers. You can help them build a relationship with their customer and then retain customers. These are some of the things you would get to learn in the WhatsApp Blueprint Profit. And this is a very simple course, and it is sold for 5,000 naira. But for the sake of the first persons who are seeing this video and are interested in getting this course in the next 24 hours, it is just 1,000 naira. Now the details are available on your screen. You can pay online via Paystack, or you can pay using a direct bank transfer, and then just fill in the details. You send a proof of payment to the number that's available on your screen, and once you do that, you would have a more sophisticated way, or a more easy step-by-step process that gives you the ability to generate not just 1,000 naira, but much as high as 25K with your phone daily via WhatsApp. Don't hesitate. Just take this opportunity while it lasts. Get the WhatsApp money blueprint so you can learn everything that has to do with WhatsApp e-commerce, WhatsApp TV, and WhatsApp automation, and how you can actually grow your WhatsApp views to 1,000 views for as simple as easy, for the price of 1,000 naira for just the first 10 persons. So hurry now and ensure you don't allow this offer pass you. My name is Ibomor. Thank you for seeing this video. Please leave a thumbs up. Do ensure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time we post amazing videos such as this. Thank you for seeing this video. I will see you in the next.